when you're using the T-bar, and even if you're using it correctly, sometimes you can get a little that runs up over the top, or depending on the sheen of finish that you're using. So sometimes I'll just want to even make what we call a feathering run. You know, maybe I can see a streak that came off the top of my T-bar, or for whatever reason I've just got a streak in the floor. So all I need to do that again is just pat out good both sides. And also patting out, we're not taking this thing and bouncing it up and down. That creates too much foam. I'm just taking it, pressing it, and rolling it to help get the excess finish off. But let's say if I had a little streak out here that I could see, and I just want to reach my T-bar out, I'm going to hit that streak right in the middle, and I'm just going to be holding this fingertip pressure all the way down the floor just to remove that, and then feathering at the end.